Hexaflex is a new, safer pseudo-honeycomb core design which is a more flexible, stronger and lighter alternative to traditional industrial honeycomb. Hexaflex has applications in many other engineering disciplines by virtue of its unique and elegant geometry. Similarities to Hexaflex also appear in nature at nano level in the concavities of the scales on a butterfly wing, the geometry of virus capsids, the Z-line in contractile muscle structure, and in graphene and graphite. Hexaflex conforms naturally to compound curvature, with its cells normal to the face surface, without the need for curving, rolling, or heat-forming operations. It does not suffer from cell wall damage, columnar failure, node separation or distortion of the hexagonal cells when subjected to compound curvature. Hexaflex core has no glue. It is of single thickness throughout and is formed from a single sheet of steel alloy. The first step of core fabrication comprises of feeding a continuous web of stainless steel through a die punching unit which cuts out the repeating geometric pattern. The second step of the fabrication process involves feeding the die-punched web through a series of roller stations and progressively compressing the core element from both sides using a plurality of hexagonal dies which register exactly with the moving web to form a series of alternating 90-degree folds. In the process, the die-punched web contracts by approximately 50% in both width and length, whilst gaining in depth to form a flexible Hexaflex core element. Hexaflex core material is a new discovery which can freely vent, thus avoiding delamination due to its lack of closed cells, unlike standard honeycomb cells. After the X-33 failure of its fuel tanks due to cryopumping, in 2001 the program was officially cancelled, 5 years and $1.5 billion down the line. Comparatively speaking, space technology is still in its infancy, and now is the time to take a long, hard look at the use of this innovative core material as a potential alternative for rocket fuel tanks, rocket skins, and heat shields.